Yeah.
It's well oiled. That's your cartridge there. And this is, if you have your tools here, it's easier to put in.
There we go.
A lot easier. See how I have my one finger stuck in? Always put your finger
On the outside.
on the outside so you don't drop it. So if that's full of sawdust, you don't have to hunt for it. You don't pass it over tight.
The difference is on this one, what I did, I loosened both to give us more space. So maybe we
This is up here. You're only 2/1000ths of an inch. That's much tighter.
maybe there.
So you know how? Just had my electrical done.
Huh?
This doesn't fit. It's not the right plug. Not the right plug.